Welcome to online learning. Today we shall learn about the land of snow, part 2, and today's topics are vegetation, wildlife, life of the people, occupation, and cities of Greenland. Vegetation. Seeds germinate and plants grow in the summer season here in Greenland. So why not in the winter and in other season? That we shall learn why the seeds germinate and plants grow here in the summer season only. The only plant grow here are mosses. This is mosses, lichens, grasses, and bushes. Here you can see some bushes are there, which are flowering bushes. Some flowers bloom in spring. Both summer and spring are very short in Greenland. Look at these beautiful flowers which bloom there in spring. Both summer and spring are very short, and the winter is very long. This is summer, so you cannot see snow covering here, and these places are located along the coast. There are no forests here. No crops can grow here due to the cold climate. You cannot see there any forest. Why? Because it's very cold there, and due to that harsh cold climate we can't grow any crops there. Wildlife. Only animals with thick furry coats or those which can withstand extreme climate can survive in Greenland. In Greenland, we experience extreme cold climate, and the animal like cow, giraffe, elephant can't survive there. Those animals with thick furry coats can only survive, like see, this is a seal. It has thick furry coats is there, so it can survive in the extreme cold climate of Greenland. These are polar bear, they can also survive. This is a polar hare. This is an Arctic wolf. This is a white-tailed eagle, musk ox, a whale, and Arctic fox. And these are huskies. These huskies are used for pulling sledges. Here you can see huskies are there, and these wolf-like dogs pull the sledges. Next we shall learn about the life of the people. The Inuits came to Greenland from North America and settled here many years ago. Over time, they have adapted themselves to harsh climate. Here we have, this is North America. This is the northern part of North America, and this is the north part of Canada. They migrated from here and they reached Greenland, and there they settled. Over time, they adapted to the harsh climate which prevails there. These are called igloos. These are called igloos. And this is an Eskimo family. The Inuits are short and stout. They have flat faces, narrow eyes, and copper yellow skin. Yes, you can see here is a woman. Her height is not so tall. They are short and they have flat faces. You can see their face. You can see their eyes also narrow and copper yellow skin. They wear clothes made from the skins of seals. Their jackets, called parkas, have hoods to cover their heads. So you can see these are called parkas. The people not, but their jackets. This is a parka. This is hood, and by this you can cover your head. They generally wear double trousers and high boots. This is a pair of high boots, and this is double trousers. And these clothes are made up of sealskin, and these clothes help them to keep warm themselves. The people who live in the extreme north build snow houses or igloos during the winter season. This is the southern end of Greenland, and this is extreme north of Greenland. So here the people, they construct igloos. This is an igloo, and how is it made? Ice blocks are cut and it is made in a dome shape. This is dome shape. A hole is made in the center here of the dome to allow smoke and hot air to pass through. And inside the igloo, the floor is covered with the skins and furs of animals. During summers, people live in tents made of animal hide. You can see here a tent is there, and these tents are called topics. These are called topics. But in recent years, people have started living in modern houses. You can see these colorful houses are built here. The Inuits are hardworking, cheerful, and hospitable people. For hundreds of years, they lived by hunting, fishing, and gathering roots during summer and spring. In the past, they got most of the things they needed by hunting animals. But nowadays, what is happening there? Nowadays, they can buy goods brought in from other countries. Here, this is a ship. What is the name of this ship? Royal Arctic Line. Now they are importing different type of goods from the foreign countries. Inuits are skilled fishermen and hunters. You see, they have caged fishes. They hunt animals for their meat, skin, and fat. This is meat. You can see this is the skin of seal. Earlier they used harpoons to hunt animals, but now they use automatic rifle. This is a harpoon. It's like a spear. But nowadays they use this type of automatic rifles. The Inuits use small boats called kayaks to hunt sea animals. These are kayaks. A brooder boat. This is a brooder boat and it is called umiyak, and it is used to hunt whale. And sometimes these boats are also used for transportation. But how do they travel on land? On land, Inuits use sledges. This is a sledge and it is pulled by huskies. The lifestyle of the Inuits has undergone many changes in recent times. Now they use motorboats. This is a motorboat which they use for fishing, and motorized sledge. These are motorized sledge. Many people also work in mines and oil fields. A large number of Inuits have migrated to towns and cities. This is a mine and this is an oil field. People, those who are not getting profitable job in the village area, are migrating to towns and cities. Next, we shall learn about the cities. The thick sheet of ice has restricted settlements to the coastal areas. You can see how thick are the ice sheets here. There are very few large towns in Greenland. This is a city. Nuuk is the capital and the largest city in Greenland. Sisimiut and Ilulissat are other big cities, and the total population of Greenland is only 56,000.
Now today's homework. In which season flowers bloom in Greenland? What are the sledge-pulling ducks called? Who came to Greenland from North America? What is the jacket called which is owned by the Eskimos? Which is the capital of Greenland and what is the total population of Greenland? I hope you enjoy the class. In our next class, we'll be learning about the land of sand. Thank you.